Jesus. But don't ever lose your mind and think you're better than Jesus. Don't ever think you know better than the master what's best for you. He knows what you and I don't know. He sees what we can't see. And when you get where you're going, he's already there. And he ain't never left where he was, because he's over here and he's up there. And at the same time, he's Alpha and he's Omega. He's the beginning and the end. He's the first and the last. And you'll catch him somewhere in the middle. You ain't hear what I'm trying to tell you. He's the past, present, and the future, because he was set up from everlasting to everlasting. There's no way that you can know what's best, because you can't know like God what's best for you. And so stick with God's plan for your life. Whenever you decide that you're going to choose a mate for yourself, whenever you tell God you know what you like, somebody said, if you ever want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. Yeah, when you think you know what's best, you understand that you make decisions with faulty information. You make decisions only knowing in part. Paul says we see through a glass darkly. We only know in part. But you better trust God, because God is the only one who can see that man's heart. God is the only one who can see that sister's heart. You see what's on them, but God sees what's in them. Listen, I ain't got but a few minutes left, but let me walk you through this. I need you to understand tonight that just as you have to trust God for your marriage, you must learn how to trust him with your money. The same way you trust him with your money, you got to trust him with your ministry. And can I shout you on this one? If you can trust him with your marriage and trust him with your money and trust him with your ministry, can I tell you, you can even trust him with your misery. You can trust him with your misery, because if you give him your misery, he'll work a miracle. He'll turn that which made you miserable, he'll make you merry. If you give him your burdens, he'll give you his blessings. If you give him your sorrows, he'll give you his joy. If you trust him, that's all I'm trying to tell you. He knows what's best for you. That's all I'm trying to tell you. I won't be long. I got to get out of here. It was getting late. But I need to tell you, you got to trust God that he knows what's best for you. Trust him. You can trust him with the good, trust him with the bad, trust him with your past, trust him with your pain, trust him with your potential, trust him with your possibilities, trust him when it's puny, trust him when it's plentiful. You can trust God with everything you have. Now watch this. I need you to understand, here was Israel's problem. Israel's problem